to a random edition of random stuff. Today I will be teaching you people how to get high off of cat hair. First, you need 3/4 a bag of cat hair from a Siamese cat. Next, you need 1/4 of poodle hair from a dog. Yeah. Don't ask me why. It just works better that way. And then you take the two bags, mix them together so you get one full bag of hair. Put it in the microwave for 3 minutes and 42 seconds. Quickly take it out and run it to the freezer, which must be specially made at exactly 98.31781933178133546 degrees below sub-zero. You can go buy those specially made freezers at exactly 7 cents per inch, I guess. After 13.4 weeks, you can take the cat hair out and put it in the microwave for exactly 10 seconds. Any amount of seconds more or less will cause you to explode on indigestion. You can you can ingest exactly 0.0000001,008,992 zeros later, 0,000, many zeros later, 1% of that bag. It will keep you high for exactly 12 seconds. And you can only ingest that amount every 32 years.